Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Grove Collaborative haul to share with you guys. If you're not familiar with what Grove Collaborative is, it is a online service that you can go and get most of your cleaners, all of your cleaners basically. You can get baby products, you can get feminine products, you can get, they have so much stuff lately that they're continuously adding things to their site. I absolutely love going on there to purchase my cleaners for my home because I find that they have a lot of the all natural products, which is very important to me lately because I never realized how harmful the chemicals were in some of the cleaners that I had been using. So now I'm trying to step more into the more natural type of products, as well as they have the Caldrea products. Caldrea is one of my favorite brands as far as it goes for cleaning your room or scenting your room, making your room smell fantastic. As you guys can tell, I keep this one in here. This is the sea salt neroli. This is the countertop spray. This is what I use to actually clean my beauty room and everything, and it smells so good. And then I also keep this one in here because I love the scent of this. This is the Rosewater Driftwood Linen and Room Spray. I spray the beauty room after I've cleaned it all up, and it smells fantastic all the time. So I purchased those from Grove because I find that their site is actually easy to use, that they have really good deals on some of their stuff. So also, if you're interested in signing up for Grove and you do not already have Grove, I will have a link below where you'll get a caddy as well as a 5-piece gift set from Mrs. Myers. So it's an awesome deal. So I would definitely check it out if I were you. So let me jump into the goodies that I picked up. The first thing I picked up, you guys know I had to pick up something from Caldrea. So I picked up the Blue Basil Sage. This is the Linen and Room Spray. I haven't tried the scent yet, so I was kind of curious to see how it would smell. So I'm actually going to smell it with you guys. I don't know if it's good or if it's bad, but we're going to find out. Oh, it definitely smells more like a boy in my opinion. It's got more of a, you can smell the sage in it for sure. So I think my boys' room is going to smell really nice using this, or even like the kitchen area spray where like our dogs play and things like that. So I'm excited about using this because it smells fresh and like clean. The next one I picked up is the Gilded Balsam Birch. This is one that I know for sure I love using in my son's room because it smells very masculine in my opinion. So, oh my gosh, it's so tight. That's what she said. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. Okay, never mind. I'm not going to open this one, but it smells fantastic because just trust me when I tell you guys, if you're into making your home smell really good and you like the way that it's like a crisp, clean scent, but also just a very sophisticated scent, then I would highly recommend that you check out the Caldrea sprays. They're so good. The next thing I wanted to try was a lot of Method products because Method is very natural as well. So I picked up the Method Antibacterial All-Purpose Cleaner. This is in bamboo. I did read on there that some of the scents smell better than the others. I'm not going to try to open this either because evidently I have no muscles to open these products. So this one is in bamboo, but I also purchased the All-Purpose Cleaner in Citron, and then as well as the all-purpose cleaner in Wildflower. So I purchased all three of them to try all three scents out to see which one I liked because I wasn't sure which one I would enjoy. So whichever one I don't enjoy, I'm actually going to use for like cleaning, like, I don't know, like random messes up outside. So if I don't enjoy the scent to it, then I'll use it for outside cleaner because I'll use it for outdoor furniture. So those are the three that I picked up from Method for as far as cleaning. If you guys have a preference in Method products, let me know because I don't really know much about that brand. I do know one thing that I really love from the brand, and that is this right here. This is the Method Wood Cleaner for daily cleaning. So it cleans and dusts and it smells like almonds. It smells so good. It smells like, reminds me of the L'Occitane. Like if you guys have ever smelled the L'Occitane lotions and things, that's exactly what this smells like. It smells so good. So I use this to clean all the wood products in my house. So I had to have one of those because it smells really good. The next thing from Method is this right here. This is the Glass and Surface. I had been looking for a glass cleaner that's more natural, so I was really excited about this one. This is mint scented, so I'm not a huge mint fan, I'll be honest. Like I like peppermint, but I don't know that I like cleaning with it and everything. I like to just eat peppermints. I mean, that's why I have 7 cavities. But anyway, so this, I'm going to try it out and we'll see how good it works. Maybe it smells more like mint, like mouthwash. That would be good because mouthwash smells good, but like peppermint, no. It smells more like mouthwash. Okay, so I'm not so upset with it. It smells like Scope. So, all right, so we have a window cleaner as well. And then I picked up the Method Bathroom Cleaner in Spearmint. So let's see what this one smells like. Some of these are like extremely hard to open. I don't like the smell of that one. Not at all. So this is probably a yucky one. So thank goodness it's for the bathroom. So I'm just going to like spray it and wash it down. But that's not my favorite scent at all. The next thing I picked up is this right here. This is the Method Stain Remover. My husband works in like an industry where he typically comes home with some really interesting items on his clothes, grease and oil and things. So I thought this might help to get some of those stains out. It says it scrubs with deep built-in brush and it targets tough set-in stains. So in the top of this cap here, it's pretty cool because it has a little brush here so you can scrub out the stain a little bit, which is nice because if you get those stains that have been settled into your clothes for a while, they're hard to get out. So this is a really cool item. And then the last item I got is a candle. They actually sent this to me for free. Once I purchased so many dollars worth of products from their site, you typically get free gifts. So, I mean, like, who doesn't like free? I know I do. So this is a Soy Winter Woods candle. So let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. It smells like cardamom or like cinnamon or like, I don't know, it's just got a really nice scent to it. So I'm excited about that. And the candle, like the glass itself is really nice. I reuse most of the jars that I get for candles. I like clean them out and then reuse them for something else, upcycle them. So anyway, that is my little Grove haul I wanted to share with you guys. So I've got lots of new cleaners to test out to make sure my house is nice and tidy. I don't know about you guys, but like when I get new cleaners, I get like really excited to clean. Is it weird? Probably. But I do. I get like really excited. I'm like, let's go clean the bathroom. Let's try out these new cleaners. Let's go clean everything because we got all these new things to try out. We've got wood cleaner, got Windex, not Windex. We got glass cleaner. So I'm just really excited. I get really excited over cleaners. I'm weird, but that's okay. Anyway, if you guys are interested in trying out Grove for yourself, don't forget to check the link below. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later.